Zach Paykoff here, and today I will be showing you how you can add, subtract, multiply, and divide numbers using Google Sheets. This is a very simple way to do mathematical calculations without having to pull up a calculator. So let's get right into the first one. So I have 100, 100, and then I need to figure out my given value of the question mark. So in order to figure that out, I do equals sum, and then I'm going to take A1, which is the 100, and add it to B1, which is the other 100. And I get my total of 200. So that is how you add numbers using Google Sheets. Now on to subtracting. So right here I have 95, and then I have 77. And then I need to figure out my given value for the question mark. So I am going to do the same thing, equals sum, but now I am going to take the 95, which is A3, and I'm going to subtract it from the 77, which is B3. That'll give me my total of 18. And that is how you subtract numbers using Google Sheets. Now here I am going to show you how to multiply. So we have 75 for A and 3 for B. So in order to do this one, you're going to do equals sum, and I'm going to do 75, which in this case is A5. Oops, that's a percentage. And multiply it by using an asterisk by 3, which is B5. And that'll give me my total of 225. Now here is the last one. And that is how, and by the way, that is how you multiply numbers using Google Sheets. Now here is the last one, which is 10, 15, and 7 to get the answer that the question mark was giving. So here I have 10, 15, and I have 7, and then I need to figure out my given value. So we are going to take the 10, 15, obviously do the equals sum formula, and we're going to take the 10, 15, which in this case is A7, and we're going to divide it by the 7, which is B7. And that'll give us a total of 145. And that is how you divide numbers. So this was just a quick little tutorial on how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide numbers using Google Sheets. I hope this helped you, and I will see you later.